Hi guys, let us understand how to download MyEclipse and work Hibernate Spring struts with MyEclipse now. So what you will do here is just go to the browser and type here MyEclipse download. Okay. So once you are saying MyEclipse download, the list these are the things are available here. So MyEclipse 5, 6, current is the MyEclipse 10 version. Okay, so we can download the 10. Just go to the MyEclipse official website. So MyEclipse ID. You can see lot of downloads are available here. So we'll just go for this standard professional version. So just click on the accept license and click download here. So this guy will redirect to the page and it is saying MyEclipse 10.5 for Windows, MyEclipse 10.5 for Linux or Mac or some other like it's in a GIF format. So we'll just select this one and just click on the download here. Once you are saying download, the download will start here. So you can see MyEclipse 10.5 offline installer Windows exe. It's this much MB. I just click on the save so it will get downloaded here. Once the just save this here. Once the download is complete, you can go to the download folders and you will find that the download is available here, right? So this is my MyEclipse 10.0.2 downloaded. Just double click. Once you are clicking double, your installer will start. It has been started now. It is for Zenvitech. Okay, so it is asking to run this file. So we can say uh, run. Once we run, it is preparing MyEclipse installer. So you just go through this and just keep processing the installer and MyEclipse will get installed. So just click next and keep processing here. Okay, it is asking for license but you can go for a trial version. Okay, so run MyEclipse, install another, or it is saying that already installed. It's okay, you can install the another one, or if you have a new you can new install. Okay, and once the installation complete you can just close it here. So once you complete it you can come back to your program or start menu. Here if you can see, go to the MyEclipse here. So this is 6 and now I have installed 10, so 10 is here. Okay, and if you just click here your MyEclipse will start. So this is the way to install MyEclipse and uh, start. So let us say I just do here workspace spring. I give any name for this here. So MyEclipse is just starting, just take little time. So it has been started now. You can see this, everything is blank now. So if you want to do any project, just make it new and say here Java project or Babe project or AZB project. So you can develop some kind of Babe project or any kind of project you can develop. Say, let us say Java project I want, and I'll give a name here, say first project simply. Okay, click next now, and then say finish. So this is the libraries rt.jar which is required for running Java program. It is available. Now in this, if you want to create a package, just go to your new and say package and give it the name here, say com.example package name, say finish here. Now I want to create a class, so just say new here and give a class here. Class name I want to give, say my main class something. Okay, it will have a main method, so just select the main method here. So a class has been created here, you can see this now. Now you want to like say system order println, just write C sort and say control space word. So system order println will write here and say here hi I am James Bond. Okay, and save this now. If you want to run this file only, just say right click run as Java application. So one console will open here and output will come here. Look at here, hi I am James Bond is coming here, right? Next, let us say I want to run this project. So sometimes suppose you are having group of files, some other dependent files, so just select here Java application, it will run that. Okay, in this project suppose you want to add some libraries like a Spring or Hibernate kind of thing. So just do what, go to the MyEclipse and say here add Spring, add Hibernate capabilities. So you have to keep adding all these things. Once if you add the, let us say I want to add Spring here, so I'll get all the Spring version here. Okay, suppose you want to work with the Spring 2.5, just selected that and you will get the number of libraries here, right? So you can check the libraries as per your requirement and say next finished. So once you say next finished, it will get added here, right? I'm just cancelling here now. So this is a way to make programs through MyEclipse. Okay, and so we understood how to download and install and how to start the MyEclipse, right? So that's all about MyEclipse installation. Thank you.